Hi everyone, my name is Katie, and today we're going to go over our bookkeeping gather documents task. This task is part of our bookkeeping pipeline, but can also be used in your pipeline or as a one-off task if necessary. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for free, and then you'll go into your verb templates, tasks, and then you'll find your task here, bookkeeping gather documents. Here you can see everything involved in this task. Got your description, that it's assigned to your role of admin. It's due, starts today and it's due in 5 days. Go ahead and click Save and Exit. I'm going to assign it as a one-off task. We're going to click Get New or Start New Task. Pick our test account, which is under my name. And then choose the template. Again, here you can see everything that's involved in the task. The task will show like this once you click on it, even if it is part of your pipeline. You can see your description, your start date, and your due date. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.